Oh my god. I again came to explain the same topic, but I will come again and again till the humanity comes back, common sense comes back. Whoever believes in God, whoever believes that yes, there is God, God. So, then why are you afraid of a virus? COVID virus? Any virus? Tell me why. When you know that everything is in the hands of God, if you are believing God, then why are you afraid of virus? Then you will say, no, no, no. We should take precaution. We should wear mask. We should wear mask. It's for precaution. Okay? Then why don't you wear mask in the house? Why don't you wear mask in the toilet? Why don't you wear mask in bathroom, anywhere in the building region? Do you wear mask in your house? Why don't you wear? Earlier, even building was being sanitized. Huh? Nobody is allowed to enter the building. Ah, virus is there. Sanitize. Why? Now you will say, no, no, no. If you stay inside the house, then you will not get COVID. Believe me, I have been to various COVID patients in the house where they have been in the house. They have been in the house for more than 1 year, and still they got infected, and even then they got serious. Few people of them expired by sitting at home, confining themselves in the home. Even then they were infected. Ask yourself. Ask yourself. So the point is, you will get COVID wherever you stay, inside or outside, if you have to get it. Now the point comes, no, I don't believe in God. Why? You say, I have not seen God. I don't believe. Then why do you believe virus? Why do you believe virus? Have you seen the virus? Have you seen the virus? Then why do you believe? You'll say, no, no, scientists say. Scientists say, hence you believe. And so many people in the world say, your gurus, so many people in the world, your priests, saints, they say, yes, there is God. You don't believe? You don't believe then? Oh my God, you are trapped. Now you will say, no, no, no. It's very risky. Achha, you tell me one thing. We all know that human beings are strongest on the earth. Human beings are strongest. In what sense? In what sense? Physically. Physically you are strong. Even a dog can kill you. A Doberman can kill you. Leave the other parts of tiger, lion and everything, okay? Elephant, so many animals I can take. The name of the animals. So when you are not strong physically, that means you are strong mentally. Yes, human beings are strong mentally. Now the point is, are we weaker than a virus? That means you are afraid of virus. You are afraid of virus. That means we have less brains than a virus. Just imagine how much less common sense we are using. Full earth, only human beings are being infected. No other animal. Dogs, cats, chickens, frog, fishes, lion, tiger, nobody is infected. Only human beings are being infected. What a common sense. Now you will say that why I am so much aggressive. You know why? Because of the young generation which you are making, coward. You are making a full young generation, the upcoming generation, coward. Darpok in Hindi. In Marathi, bhitra. Fattu. This is what is your planning? I am a doctor. I have seen. I am not even this much afraid of any virus. And I request everyone to be strong. Don't be afraid of virus. Who taught you? Listen my video again and understand what I am saying. Few people will say, he's talking nonsense. What nonsense? Is it wrong to be strong? Is it really right to be afraid of virus? You'll say, no, we should be careful. How many days? How many years? Full life? Even after being vaccinated? You are afraid of virus? Human beings, you are human beings. We never get this birth of human beings. We are lucky to be born as human beings. And today we are all afraid of virus. Nobody can see. Still we are afraid. I request to the all people in this on this earth, planet, that please don't make the young generation, upcoming generation, coward. Only by names we should not be. We are strong. We are strong. I did nothing. We should be human beings. We are animals. We are animals. So we should be like human being animal. I'm not saying that be like tiger, lion, like that, because already there are criminals who are animals. But we are human beings. We should be smart, intelligent. We should be smart, intelligent, have common sense. Common sense, common sense. So my friends, request, don't be afraid of such virus. Common sense, educated people are more afraid. Please, don't use your education, use common sense, logic. Logic is very important in this. Logic, whatever I have said, think again, listen again, and then you should understand what I have said. Because I, being a doctor, I have seen people who were using everything, they died. And you who did not do anything, they didn't get anything. Anything. Not only one or two, I can say you thousands, because I have seen only thousands and thousands. I have not seen millions. I want to cut short this topic. Please understand, I really come again and again with the same topic, because I can't see humanity being in such foolishness, stupidness, awkwardness. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Namaskar.